The great poet Şımbайұlы said, "Man's moral is from a good teacher." The building of secondary school number 90, which is in the south part of Kazakhstan, in the city with million people, Shymkent, didn't immediately reach this flourishing condition. When I came here for the first time, it was a new building built in a broad striking area with no green trees and grass.
Қуаң далада жаңадан салынған болатын. Мынау менің идеямен ашылған тарихи өлкетану.
This is a school history museum opened by my idea, where you can see the picture of forming stages of the micro-district Asar for immigrants from different foreign countries. And it was built on the initiative of the first president, Nursultan Abишевич Nazarbayev, under the program Nurly Kosh.
Asar мөлтек ауданы құрылды.
Құрметті отандастар.
Dear our compatriots, respectful brothers, there was a hard time when the Kazakhs had to leave their motherland and they were scattered all over the world. And we have created a special project to return those people and help them.
Ал мектебімізде жалпы оқып жатқан оқушылар бұл
The pupils studying in our school are the children of compatriots come from neighboring countries such as Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, China and Turkey in difficult times. 98% of our school children are immigrants.
8% осы қандастарымыздың ұл қыздары. Бастапқы кезде әрине қиындық.
At the beginning, of course, there were a lot of difficulties in learning some subjects because they had studied in the history of the place where they had been living and learned their languages.
Міне осы қандастарымыздың
I started my teaching career by creating a favorable condition with the purpose of quality education of children of our compatriots.
мұғалімдік мен үшін
To be a teacher is not a simple profession, but it is my heart's desire. I'm a history teacher. Having known our past, we will make our future bright.
жарқын ете алады деп ойлаймын.
Оқушы ол шамшырақ секілді.
Pupils like a candle, and teachers should light them. There is no pupil who can't learn. There is a teacher who cannot teach.
Мектептегі кез келген салада менің
You can make sure that I have contribution at any branches of our school, and I closely connect my subject with arts.
өз қаржыма материалдар алып беріп
I have bought necessary materials by myself, and with the help